Hey guys, welcome to Legendary Detail Garage. This is Samuel. We have a Ram Warlock here that we did a couple services on. But as you guys know, we've been doing paint protection film for a little over a year now. But a new service that we are offering is windshield protection film. This is a new product from XPEL. And we've had a significant amount of questions regarding this service. So we just wanted to create a video and give you some information about it. So windshield protection film goes on the exterior of the glass, and it's from edge to edge, top to bottom. So every square inch of your windshield is protected. You don't have to worry about rock chips or any potential damage that would occur from driving your vehicle. Windshields have gotten very expensive, and in addition to that, there's recalibration costs and sometimes wait time, lead time to get your windshield replaced. So this is a fix for that. It's about $500 service. It'll save you thousands of dollars down the road. So if you guys have any questions about a service like this, give us a call, send us a message at 605-777-3012.